Minabot niya po keng 2.79 billion pesos ang net income na ng Clark Development Corporation o CDC anyang 2023. Ang pagking CDC, mas matas yung 28% ini kesa king 2.19 billion pesos a net income anyang banwang 2022. Miras niya mo naman king 13.81 billion pesos ang total assets na ng state-run corporation anyang milabas a banwa. Mas matas siyang 12% ini kumpara king 12.31 million pesos total assets sa niyang 2022. Base kay CDC Communications Division, kinumpirma na lang ng Commission on Audit ng nabanggit na figura at mag-issue na ring unmodified opinion in commission dikal kay financial statements na ng CDC. Ang pangkang presidente at CEO na ng Clark Development Corporation ay Attorney Agnes VST de Vanadera, may nagumpela king finances, pauli na ng masaleseng fiscal management, incremental revenue share, sibat ka ring tourist spending, at king kumpiyansa na ring locators king kapanibalanan ng CDC. May nga kuya naman ng opisyal alakwas dang isubong in ease of doing business king Clark, bang dakala pa ring locators at investors. Samantala at atandaan na niyang March 25, may grimit niya pong 1.8 billion pesos a dividendo in CDC keng Bureau of Treasury.